This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Hey everybody, welcome back home. Today we've decided to rent a truck to finish the job of moving back into our house. Back in March of 2021, we packed up the house we brought our first baby home to, sold the majority of our furniture and put the rest into storage as we said our goodbyes to that era to embark on our biggest family adventure to date, living out of a van while starting an epic one-year lap of our home country of Australia. 2 years on, as we start this new chapter of our lives, one including a soon-to-be-born baby boy, we find ourselves nesting once again. The jet lag is 100% real. We ended up having a midnight pizza party.
What's this? Real pizza. Wow.
Midnight snack. And getting to sleep at 3 a.m. It is now 6:30 and the removalists are here in 25 minutes. And I am very, 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 very tired, but very excited at the same time to see all our stuff again. Honestly, when you've got a pregnant wife sleeping upstairs and a toddler, and you're in your 30s, you just invest in a removalist to help you put everything in your house, especially when you have minimum sleep. Good morning.
Good morning.
Huh? What's all this stuff? Very shocked about the outdoor furniture, huh?
Can't play my playhouse.
That's a good idea.
Look, I have a shelf. I have a shelf here.
You have stuff here?
Here, my stuff here.
Do you want to come see what else? Hunter, do you know when you were baby Hunter, you slept in here? Do you want to come test it out? You look a little bit big for that. Do we think we should give it to baby?
The baby get out the thing in there.
In there?
Yeah, baby still growing. And a good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night, Daddy.
Good night. So I realised we have absolutely nothing in the house, so I think we're gonna go need to do the world's biggest grocery shop. Oh, let's see how many one-trippers I can do. Totally forget that when you move into a place, you have nothing. So you need like bin bag, washing, hand wash, and that's before all the fun stuff. Things that you would have in a house that would just sit in your cupboard like salt and pepper before you even think about buying bread. All right, let's squeeze this all in. You guys want to know what it's like looking after a toddler? It's just constantly feeding them after snacks. Oh, and don't worry, we got our snacks too. I don't get it. How did we do the biggest shop in the world, yet everything is still empty? There's still essentially nothing in there.
Mine's like being in Cooper. It's huge. Oh, this feels so weird. I'm in a truck. I feel so pregnant. We're about to go pick up furniture.
Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm a bus driver.
Well, you need to go forward. I'm not Mr. Bus Driver.
When are you meant to feel like an adult? I just feel like a kid.
I know.
Should I be?
Should we be allowed to do this? For some reason, we've decided to do this on probably the hottest day of the year. It's like 40 degrees. We're gonna have so much furniture to build. It's gonna be like a relationship make or break moment.
Good time to test it when the second baby's on the way.
Good on IKEA. Let's do it. Okay, the best bit about picking up furniture from IKEA is it also is a great lunch spot.
You can never go wrong with an IKEA meatball.
I don't think we got enough stuff from IKEA. What did we get? They just brought it out. I was like, oh yeah, we got a trolley.
Oh, alright, let's do it.
Stop knowing what to do. Delivery.
The main reason to rent a truck is this lift.
It's happening. I'm getting the house. So you probably have all been wondering where little Hunter is. Hunter, come here. You have to tell them. Okay, so Hunter, where did you go all day today?
I'm ready to go.
At school?
And Hunter, how old are you?
2. Look, 2.
What's your name?
Hunter.
And it's your first day at?
Go. We got a pet puppet. You can bottle.
And are you so excited to go to school?
Yes.
Right, that's a high five.
You got this, girl. So little Hunter has started pre-kindy. She goes to school a couple of days a week, so that's where she went today. So she hasn't seen what's outside. Guess what, Hunter? There is something really cool outside. Do you want to go see it?
Yes.
Let's do it.
It's a food.
Oh, it's not a
Still dreaming, girl.
Count to 3. Close your eyes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
What's that?
A truck.
What's inside the truck?
It's the inside. Let's go
Go
inside.
inside? Let's do it.
Go.
Huh? Go inside.
Come inside then. Whoa. Oh, my bed. Look, my bed.
Is that your bed?
Come in, Dad. Wow.
Press this down. Ready? Huh? All the way? Woo! Oh, there she goes. Dun-dun-dun. You did it! Beep, 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 beep. Huh? Do you know what that is?
Daddy, me, my dog.
Yay! A dishwasher! Hunter, we have a dishwasher! Are you excited?
Yes.
Hunter, can you say bye-bye, Cleo?
Bye-bye, here.
Oh, oh.
Hey.
How do you have all this energy after school?
Ooh, yo.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? So we're all in turbo mode right now because we realized that we decided you're doing so good. We decided that the best day to do this is also the day that we booked Harry Styles tickets. So we have to leave in 40 minutes to go see Harry Styles, and we still have all of this to go. Harry Styles! Oh, I'm struggling. Oh, thank you. Oh, wow, you're so strong. Oh no.
And on top.
Oh my goodness. Really? Can you show me your muscles? I know that the main thing that you're all wondering right now is, how is Harry Styles? I'm pretty sure at Harry Styles last night, I was definitely the most pregnant there. I'm currently 35 weeks, 5 weeks to go. Very excited, which means that I'm definitely in nesting mode, and I'm so happy that we finally have furniture in the house, but now we just have to build it all. So I've convinced Steven today is the day, even though we are very tired from Harry, we're gonna finally build some furniture. What do you think's inside the box? Come knock on it. What do you think it is? She thinks it's a playground. It might be something a little bit more boring.
Huh?
What is it? Ta-da!
Say bye, Mum.
Bye. Hello. What are you doing inside?
Alright, let's see if we can make some more use of these boxes and make a little adventure tunnel for Hunter. Hunter! Dad's got a surprise! Hi! Woohoo! High five.
Hello, sir. See, the surprise is in the bathroom. Go with Dad. Go with Dad. Go have a look. And And what's on the wall? Huh? Did you want to go back and play basketball? Here you go. Yes! Do you like our table? Where's our table? That's not done yet. Hunter, you're good cleaning up, huh? Let's do that. Oh, it looks so cute. Hunter, what do you think of our new dining table? Look. Do you want to come sit at it? And decorate. Beautiful. You did it.
Just watching how to install a dishwasher. Hey everyone, we just want to take a quick moment to thank our longtime friends and partners of the channel Squarespace for partnering up with us on this video. So if you haven't heard of Squarespace before, they're the all-in-one platform we can easily put together a website or blog. As you guys know, we have loved using Squarespace. It's just so easy to put together a website. We've been running our blog straight off Squarespace. We have all our past travels on there, photos. It's great to just jump on there and have one spot to put all your photos and memories. Plus, it's so easy to put it together. They have a bunch of different templates, award-winning, 24/7 customer support. So if you get a little bit stuck, it's so easy to get through. So if you're interested in just having a little play around, testing out what Squarespace is like, I'll leave a little free trial below. And then if you want to make your website or blog, 10% of your first order. All right, let's head back to the video. Alrighty, I've watched one 10-minute YouTube video and I'm practically a plumber now. So let's see if we can install a dishwasher.
It's about to drop. I'm a champagne bottle and I'm
We
about
watch
to
the video and then it comes with more accessories that were shown in the video. I'm the least handiest person.
Baby, it's my time. It's your time. It's showtime. It's my time. It's your time. It's showtime. It's my time. It's your time. Are you ready?
Right, first dinner.
I know. Already I'm going to sit on the chair.
Test it out, what's it like?
Alright, let's see. Nice.
Nice.
Yes? Nice.
Can the belly fit?
No, I'm going this close at the moment. But celebrating that we have a dining table and maybe a dishwasher. When I wash my dishes tonight, I'll let everyone know. Whoa, Hunter's first time. Can you get up yourself? Let's see. And then Mummy can tuck you in. Ready to taste test? Yay! Thumbs up! Oh, I'm tired. Harry Styles, you got me. Look at how weird our neighbours probably think we are if they see what we're doing right now.
It's unpacking day.
It's unpacking day. It is 2 days later and we have been living off eating off napkins because jet lag has been kicking our butt. We've basically been going to bed at 4 a.m. and sleeping into 1 p.m. But not today. Today we made ourselves wake up early. Poor Hunter made her wake up early too. She's exhausted. But today's the day. We need our cups, we need our plates, and we need to get through all this stuff, which is giving me 2020 vibes.
So last time we were doing this, Jess was equally as pregnant and we were going through stuff we'd stored from 15 years ago and this is more recent stuff, but I honestly have forgotten what's in these boxes. Because of course, if you guys remember, we packed everything up when we moved into Cooper, so this is our life now.
Kirby! Kirby, up here!
What did you find?
Kirby.
Scooby? Do you remember him?
Yeah.
Let's see how big he is compared to like last time. She's taller than Scooby. Oh, Hunter. There's so many of your friends. Look, who's this?
Pluto.
Pluto.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Scooby. My name's Pluto. What's your name?
Gooby.
Can I have a cuddle?
Yes.
Oh.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark.
Oh, this is fragile.
There you go. Board games. That's important. Let's get that out.
Should we show them where the board games go?
Yeah, we have a Harry Potter cupboard. Hunter, come show them where Harry Potter lives. Harry? Harry, are you in there? Is Harry in there? Let's see. I'm probably freaking around. Harry's house. Huh?
Why is getting the house ready just moving one mess to another? How is that counted as unpacking?
It's me, Scooby. Should we look and see what's inside this box?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
open it, open it. Really random. What's this? A goat and a glove. We're really good packers. actually feels like Christmas when you're opening up boxes. When we thought we only had one box for it. It says Jess board game session. Gotta put that in with Harry Potter.
Jammies! Jammies!
Christmas jammies.
Oh, my blanket. Let's go pack.
Done?
Definitely feel like I've accomplished something, but I mean, if we show you the bedrooms,
All we've done is we've moved the mess from one location to multiple locations.
cleaning up.
What are you doing?
Alrighty, now let's see if the drawers fit in, which is always the bit I feel like we stuff up. One row. Woohoo! Main bedroom, chest of drawers, tick. Welcome to the guest bedroom. And as you can see, it's just been our storage bedroom for the moment, but I think it's time we build a bed because we've been kind of sleeping on the floor for the last couple of weeks. All right, let's get this ready to build some beds. All right, today's task is we need to build a bed, which is gonna be the biggest project so far, 2 side tables, and 1 chest of drawers. Alrighty, first job, IKEA chest of drawers. First task, done. Job 2, 2 side tables. We're gonna jump in the air and click our fingers, and then we're gonna fall onto the bed, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. We did it!
Let's jump.
We built the bed! Is it bouncy?
Yeah, there you go, jump.
Daddy is tired.
Need that way.